friends, it's Dina here with Eat Laugh Review, and today I have another recipe for you guys. I'm making a Tuscan style panini. We're gonna caramelize the onions, we're gonna get those mushrooms cooking all nice and good, and we're gonna add some roasted red peppers on there, and don't forget the little sriracha just to add a little spice. So guys, for those of you that are new to the channel, welcome. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So let's get to it because I am just excited about this one. I have my panini maker here getting all warmed up and ready to go. And just gonna show you guys how to do this. Simple and easy, because that's what I like to do. Simple and easy recipes. Vegan recipes. So let's get to it. So we have our olive oil here, and now I'm just gonna throw in our onions. We might not use the whole onion. It's okay. You can never have too much onions. Caramelized onions. Am I right? So we have our onions here sauteing, and we're gonna add some pepper and some salt. Get them all nice and good. Okay guys, so you can see here that they're getting nice and brown. That means they're getting nice and sweet here. So now we're gonna add the mushrooms here once your onions are nice and caramelized. Just a few little guys in here. Just enough to cook them down a little bit because the panini is gonna do the rest. Pepper there and some more salt, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of paprika to add a little smokiness. Okay, and this is just no measurements here. It's all by taste. Just gotta have fun with it. Don't stress yourself out with like the exact ingredients here. Just go with it. Let's take these bad boys. They're ready for the panini. Okay guys, so then get your garlic butter spread on the side down of your panini. Forgot to add our sriracha. So our sriracha is gonna just add it there, which is mayo and sriracha. Nothing fancy, easy peasy. Whoops, man down. We lost one overboard. This looks so good. Get all the mushroom guys in here. All you guys gotta get in here. Then we have our roasted red peppers. So we're gonna add him right over here, like a little blankie. And now we have to add our spinach here. Now let's add our cheese, please. Actually, tomatoes. And then we can add our cheese. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, so excited. Okay, and now we're just gonna put that guy on top. And now, the finale. Shall we? Let's do it. OMG with the capital OMG. This sandwich looks, oh my God, I can't even, guys, just look at it. I don't even want to take it out of the panini maker yet. You guys just have to look at this. And it smells so delicious. Look how delicious this looks, guys. Look at the crunch right here. The onions cooking up in there, and the spinach is finally like wilting down. That's why I didn't want to cook it up with the onions. This just looks, and look at all the juices. Okay, so I'm gonna get this guy out because it's screaming to come out. Look at this deliciousness, guys. The spinach there with the mushrooms. Look at the little red pepper trying to creep out. He's trying to sneak out of there. He's not going anywhere. Look at the onions there. OMG. Everything's nice and toasty. I cannot wait to take a bite out of it. But look at this. So guys, if you don't have a panini maker, no big deal. Just you guys can just use a regular frying pan and just add another frying pan on top of your sandwich, just so it can get that smush factor, you know, like that panini look, and it's just the same. You just won't get the little marks. Who cares? It's a panini. It's supposed to be flat. So let's go dive in. Oh my gosh, look at this. So delish. Look at that. Okay. Let's cut this bad boy up and let's get to work on it. So let's take a bite. Oh my God. The roasted red pepper adds like a little tang. The Daiya cheese. Daiya cheese is just thebomb.com. The slices, they melt beautifully in here. The garlic on the crust itself up here So good. Guys, look at that. It's so delicious. Look at that cheese melting. Cheesy cheese. Again, another simple, easy peasy recipe that you guys could just make midnight snack, you know, when you're just hanging out, watching your Netflix, watching your YouTube videos, your foodies, me cooking, then you get a little hungry. Here you go, quick fix. So guys, if you make this panini with or without the machine, take a picture of it and don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.